for about 18 minutes now. Travel companion is still doing okay. Weather overhead looking drastic. Light drizzle, and feel my nose kind of shutting down as mucus fills it up, and we're gonna make it to shelter. I'm gonna have to start building shelter soon if I don't find any. It's messing with my head already. Cognitive performance. Oh, slight rain. Cognitive performance already decreased. Update. Long hike, walk, log entry number 2. Ran into that statue of some bronze guy. And, probably some history guy, you know. But I don't care about history because that's not where I want to be. And still doing relatively okay. Some guy back there, the fisherman shouting, but you know. Need to shut the fuck up and learn to respect me and not scream in my presence. And also there's this apologize. There's this fast food establishment which poisons the humanities and is a threat to all of us. And the sun is setting over yonder. The rain seems to have settled, and a lot of traffic here, which I don't appreciate, because my lungs need as clean as my body is a temple. Well, if I wanted to see a bunch of grass, I would have stayed at home and watched The Sound of Music. If I wanted to see a bunch of clouds, I would have stayed at home and played Final Fantasy. There you can see tomorrow's dinner. Long hike through the nature, log entry number 3. The weather has improved slightly. The sun is actually kind of visible now. The rain has stopped, but my nasal cavities are still run amok with mucus. That would have been funnier if you pronounced mucus like a muckus, and it could have said run amuckus. But alas, it's not so. My travel companion is doing pretty well. It's kind of a wuss when it comes to meeting other dogs, though. But you know, I guess sons of bitches are like that. This is the scenery that I am met with. It offends my eyes still for the concrete and the presence of the freeway to my right. For me, nature must occur naturally. And it must appear abundantly, and not in little segments that I can walk my dog down. I am now exiting the beautiful area of nature, segment of nature behind me, and I'm forced into the abhorred human creation of concrete floors and glass panels. It is truly a tragedy that is imposed upon me, and I do not know whether I will survive. I do not like walking here, 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 I do not like walking here. It's about the only upside of walking on this abhorrent human creation is that you get a higher view of natural phenomena such as sunsets, which is evident behind me. Yo, gross, what the fuck is that? Yo, gross. We have now made it to another natural segment amid the abhorred human creations, such as this walking way, and that walking way, and the freeway, and that contraption. I can no longer tolerate the abuse that is being imposed upon my fellow natural creatures. I mean, look at this dog. What did it do wrong? What did it do wrong? I have now made it back to my ecologically friendly house, where I will continue to support the environmentally friendly movement against global warming and flat earthers. You can follow me at I am very good for the environment.org.
I'd like to make myself believe.
Well, if I wanted to see a bunch of clouds, I would have stayed at home and played Final Fantasy. It's a motherfucking swan and a dog. The dog doesn't know the swan is there, so he doesn't care. Well, if I wanted to see a balloon with hot air, I would have stayed at home and watched Donald Trump. Well, if I wanted to see a bronze guy, I would have stayed at home and watched Jersey Shore. Now this is a story all about how I wanted to use the original of this song for my end credits, but I couldn't because I don't want to get content ID'd, yeah. I wouldn't get content ID for the other songs I used though.